Hi, this is 4x4 Shop with just a brief description of mounting your original motherboards to the actual frame of the unit. And also, you need to take out the two buttons to relocate them. Taking the buttons out is just squeezing down the tabs on both sides and pushing the button through. Then you'll be relocating it to the Android system. Now, there is 3 sets of screws that come with the system here. Well, the small set, we supply them, which are these units here. They're what you actually put on the circuit board with the plugs. So now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the short screws that you have to use to mount the circuit board. Then when you're taking off your original frame, there's 2 sets of screws that come here. So there's a longer set that is the outside screws. Then you have the shorter set, which are the inside screws. The shorter set is going to be used on your actual climate control buttons. Now with the climate control, this is just an example. You'll take out the light trim, put it in first, and then you will orientate the connector until it sits until the holes line up with that hole there and this hole here at the other side. And they will just line up one over on top of the other, and that's how you get the line up. Don't try to push it in too tight, because sometimes if you force it in, you won't be able to actually screw the frame down properly. Also too, you need to take off your existing factory clips and reinstall them on our unit for the actual clips that you're gonna need to clip into the vehicle, or the radio might seem like it's loose. So once you do that, you don't need to dismantle the ribbon connector. Just put this board in first, screw it down, put the other board up top. Again, it has the hole positions here that will line up to make sure that it's straight on the system. And then you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of your shorter level screws, not the longer ones, because they will go through the frame if you force it in there. And then you have the 3 smaller screws, which are the longer ones that come with our unit. So you have the short ones and the longer ones. The longer ones will be used on the outside of the frame here. So there's going to be 1 on this corner here, 1 on this corner here, and then you have the 3, 1, 2, 3 here, and then you have 1, 2 up top. Those are going to be used with the shorter screws. And then you would just make sure this is out of the way, put it down over the system, and then you will just proceed to screw it in to the actual board, because you have to retain your existing factory connectors for the system. And then up top, our unit does come with some blanks, which you'll have to remove off this bracket here. So remove the screws and then take out the blanks, and then put back your original plug. You can orientate them wide. They're all the same size, so if you want to put them close together or further apart, you can do that. And there will be 1 more plug from the top of your dash that you will take in and put here. But that's not applicable to all vehicles. Some vehicles will only have the 2 plugs, but for the ones that actually come with the 3rd plug, that's what the other 3rd opening is for. All right, thank you.